how to recover your account if it's been disabled or suspended. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can recover your account. So you can appeal against the decision and ask for the review by filling out a form that's available on the Instagram Help Center. So I've added a link in the description. So once you open that link, it will redirect you to your Instagram Help Center here. And you can see my Instagram account was deactivated. And here we have a form that you have to fill. Now, first of all, you have to type your full name, then your email address, and then your username of the Instagram. And then you have to provide your phone number. And then you have to mention that why your account was deactivated. So you can type just something like this: my Instagram account is suspended, kindly help me to recover it out. And then you have to send this request, and as soon as Instagram will get this request, they will notify you through your email address, and within 24 hours where your account will be back. So this is basically how you can fix the suspended Instagram account. So this is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.